exactly did it become socially unacceptable to age, and how is that changing who we are as a society, Dr. Judy?
Well, our culture definitely practices ageism, just like Laura said. It's really hard, and sometimes you have to kind of go with the flow and try to make yourself more palatable to the culture. So I see why this is happening, but I was just so struck by the fact that Jacob was basically reprimanded for smiling so much. Like, sorry, you're smiling. Stop smiling and being so happy. And what I say to that is
smiling. It was the wrinkles he had.
Right.
He had a lot of wrinkles.
But
like
stop smiling so you could
lips.
stop having the wrinkles. I mean, that was just crazy to me. And to see like how minute they were going, like if you move 1 millimeter, something could really change. Like, what does that feed?
Oh. Yeah, the doctor was also pointing out flaws that Yoon didn't even know existed. I mean,
Yoon just flawless.
Why are we so obsessed as a culture with what people think about the way we look?
Of course we care about what other people think, and it's because it's out there. The social comparison aspect, especially with social media, people are posting their pictures, they're edited, everybody wants to look their best, and so you get caught up in that.
Well, it's that uniformity he's talking about. Like, they're calling them flaws, but it's just what makes people look different from each other. Like, do we all just want to look like the same person? It seems so limiting, and is also, I mean, this is so base.
What does it do for our self-esteem? Like, as a person, as a culture, what do you feel like it does?
Well, it really creates a sense of self that's not grounded, right? I mean, that's such a good question, because if you're always focused on the way you look, it's gonna change eventually. And you know what? Plastic surgeons are not always good, and so sometimes, not always.
Oh,
some
is
of
there
them,
bad
right? So
plastic
sometimes they may mess up your
We've
face
seen
even
those
more.
images, those images on
That's
the web.
right. It's so creepy.
I think a lot of people were really struck by